Welcome to amazing nature where the world's most incredible moments come to life. From breathtaking natural wonders to unbelievable events caught on camera, every clip tells a story you'll never forget. Let's jump right in. It took a few seconds for him to realize he was still alive. The overwhelming relief left him speechless. Ignoring the red light could have changed countless lives in an instant. How hard is it to stop for just a few seconds? The falling tree gave him almost no time to react. Luckily, he walked away with nothing more than a terrifying scare.
Yo!
How fearless do you have to be to ride straight into a truck's blind spot and then cut right in front of it? Sometimes the greatest danger isn't what you can see, it's what the rain has already changed beneath your feet. Never imagined that grabbing a cup of coffee on a rainy day could suddenly turn into a desperate escape from your life. Once again, nature proved just how powerless we really are. There wasn't the slightest warning before the ground began to shake.
我操！我操，这要跑吗？不是，趴下，你这个，我操！啊，比赛！我操！
Few people ever witnessed the complete collapse of a mining dam from beginning to end, but this camera captured every terrifying second. With nowhere else to go, the car's hood became his only lifeline as the flash flood rushed through the streets. Fortunately, he made it out alive.
Baba! so weird. I'm gonna get soaked. I'm gonna get soaked. I'm totally getting
That
soaked.
rain isn't just approaching, it's racing
gosh,
straight
here it
toward
is.
you.
Oh my gosh.
Run.
Oh. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And it's gone. Look at that.
Holy.
Not everyone is lucky enough to have a friend who stays when things go wrong. He certainly is. Of all the things that could have tipped over his board, a whale was probably the last thing on his list. Many of the remote Baton Islands in the Philippines have no proper docks, forcing boats to land carefully along the rocky shoreline.
Starboard! Je les emmerde! Starboard! Je les emmerde! Fonce! Starboard! 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 Protest! 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 Regarde, this one.
But he's literally attacking me.
Have you ever seen a turtle slap someone well? Now you have. This might just be the most unforgettable picnic of their lives, and they can thank one very determined cow for it.
I got you. Holy you see?
Snake.
Holy door, dude. That scared the piss out of me.
Holy.
The collision was unavoidable once the truck became trapped on the tracks. Thanks to the train slowing down in time, everyone escaped unharmed, but this crossing clearly needs better safety. Always give trains plenty of space. No matter how skilled the operator is, a train's massive weight prevents it from stopping instantly in an emergency. Ignoring a 30 kilometers per hour speed limit, the train raced towards the bridge at more than twice the permitted speed. The result was a spectacular derailment that engulfed the tracks in a giant white cloud. Oh, that was way too close. It was later revealed that the driver of the white car was a beginner who likely mixed up the accelerator and the brake. Wait, is this a tunnel or a giant foam party? A malfunction in the fire suppression system covered the entire road in foam within seconds. Luckily, visibility wasn't completely lost. Oh my goodness, watching the security footage, it's hard to believe she survived. Miraculously, she walked away unharmed. They were just 1 centimeter away from death. It's almost impossible to believe they made it out alive. This is the kind of skill you simply can't fake. Every test is a step toward the future, and Starship Flight 12 is no exception. Relaxing beach day can turn into a nightmare in just a few minutes. Nature is one of the greatest mysteries on Earth, both breathtakingly beautiful and terrifying at the same time. These waves in San Sebastian are absolutely monstrous. You definitely wouldn't want to be standing anywhere near that shoreline. I can't tell if this frog is trying to escape or just having the time of its life. Can you believe this one sky, three completely different moods?
好吓人呐！我去，我感觉它要吃了我，我感觉它马上就要吃我，我居然拍不出那种感觉。
This is a beachfront house. Floodwater has reached the front yard, turning home into a disaster zone. Life in the mountains is breathtaking until nature reminds you how unpredictable it can be.
Тебе портануло, чувак. Аварийка пустая.
Maybe it's time for a few more driving lessons. You never know how fast you can react until a moment like this happens. Somehow his instincts took over and saved the day.